If you want to see how I made this beautiful floral arrangement, stay tuned. Hi everybody, welcome to Crafty Anew. Glad you could be here today. So today's project, we're just doing a floral arrangement by using this wastebasket I purchased from the Dollar Tree, some Rustoleum paint in the color Summer Squash, some ribbon, some fake grass. I don't really know. It's like Excelsior. Never heard of it. Just call it fake grass. Some skewers, some faux lemons, some zip ties, and a variety of florals. Yeah, this is a wastebasket that Dollar Tree has got in from their school supplies, and I'm just going to give it 2 good coats of the Summer Squash Rustoleum paint. I'm going to get the inside and out. Now while the wastebasket's drying, I'm going to go ahead and make my ribbon that I'm going to use for the floral arrangement. And I'm using 2 different kinds of ribbon. I'm using a buffalo check that I purchased from Hobby Lobby, and then I'm using this burlap ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree. And how I make my bows is this double bow. The way I do is I just put the 2 different kinds of ribbons together, and then you make your small loop at the top and you pinch it, and then you're just going to keep forming your loop, but make sure you want to keep it pinched. Now the check ribbon I wasn't worried about because it's the same on both sides, but the burlap ribbon only has the lace on one side, so whenever you loop it over to the opposite side, you have to give it a twist, because you always want the lace side of the burlap ribbon facing up. So you want to loop it and keep it tight, and then you're going to twist it and loop it again on the other side. So here I am, I'm twisting it so that the lace of the burlap is facing up. And then I'm going to do the same to the other side until I have equal amount. I want the same amount of loops on both sides. Sometimes it's hard to work with, especially the thicker ribbon when you have to pinch and your hands don't want to work the way they want to. And I'm making this a smaller bow. I don't need anything big. Now once I get the amount of loops, which I think I actually did 3 loops on each side, the excess ribbon I'm going to make one giant loop and pinch the ends off at the top with the rest where I have the where I'm going to put the zip tie. And I had to use 2 zip ties here because the zip ties I purchased from the Dollar Tree are real skinny and short, and it wasn't enough for for the bulk of the ribbon I was using. So here I'm just tightening the zip tie, and I found zip ties are better to work with. The ribbon doesn't want to come out. I noticed that sometimes when I use chenille stems and I try to twist my ribbon, it comes out of the chenille stem, and then I get angry and have to throw the ribbon and start all over. And so I found that if I use the zip ties, I don't throw the ribbon as often. And I'm just fluffing it out so I can get the desired look. And you notice I still have the loop at the bottom. This is what we're going to make our tails from. And I do have to say that this buffalo check ribbon I got from Hobby Lobby, I didn't really care for it. Started fraying, it's real thin. And then I'm using doll scissors to try to cut my ribbon. One of these days I'll get a pair of sharp scissors instead of using my vegetable scissors from my kitchen. So I didn't really get good ducktails. I said ducktails again. You know what? My daughter, when she was little, there was a cartoon called DuckTales. And for some reason, every time I try to say DuckTales, I say DuckTales. And then I start wanting to sing the song, which DuckTales, woo woo. If anybody's ever watched it. So yeah, I'm just still anyways, I digress. I'm still fluffing my ribbon here, just trying to get it to where I want it, how I want it to look. And I wanted the buffalo check to be shorter than the lace ribbon. Now once I have that all fluffed, we're going to take our dry wastebasket that we painted yellow, and I'm just going to put some floral foam in there. Now you can hot glue the floral foam down in there so that you don't have to worry about it moving. But this isn't going to be a permanent piece, and so I don't hot glue anything unless I absolutely have to. So I'm just taking some of these daisies I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put those into the floral foam. Then I'm going to start making my arrangement. Now this, you can use any kind of florals you want. I just wanted to bring to you, I just thought these wastebaskets were so cute, and I've just started seeing them since they started bringing out the school supplies. And you can use these for anything, and I've got another DIY that I'll be bringing to you for the laundry room for these. So I'm excited. I actually bought up quite a few of these because I had so many ideas. And then I'm just arranging the daisies in there, just trying to, like I said, this is all going to be preference and what you like. And then this is a garland I bought from Hobby Lobby. Not quite sure what it's called. It just looks like it's grass to me. But it's got some real pretty light green and almost like a yellow tint to it. And it's so easy to work with and cut. So I'm just cutting that, and I'm going to use that as some filler. And then again, I'm putting it down into the floral foam. Then I'm taking this lamb's ear garland I also purchased from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just cutting a few pieces of the lamb's ears off to fit in there. And that's usually what I do for my greenery. I hit Hobby Lobby when they have their 50% off sale for their florals and greenery, and I'll buy a couple things of garland and it'll last me forever. And I think you get more of your money. You get your money's worth doing the garland than you do buying individual picks. And this is another pick I also purchased from Hobby Lobby. It's got these little berries on it. I looked for blueberries because I originally wanted blueberries, which I don't know if that's what these are. They don't really look like blueberries, but they're blueberries, if that makes sense. So I just trimmed some off to fit in there. Because I kind of wanted this to look like a blueberry lemonade floral arrangement. And then I also cut some of the twigs that came on this pick off and threw in there. I want to remind everybody to also follow me on my social media pages if you're interested in some more quick and easy DIYs. You can follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, all at Crafty Anew. And follow me on Twitter at Crafty_Anew. And I'm also over on TikTok at Crafty Anew, all one word. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking the skewers and I'm inserting them into the lemons. You can see here, and then I'm just trimming them down to size. It's so easy. These lemons are made out of just like a tough styrofoam, and so it's easy to put the skewers in there. And I'm going to throw in 4 lemons into this arrangement at different heights. This is going to go with all the lemon decor that I have in my kitchen for the summertime. If you watched my last video, which I'll put a card in up above so that you guys can click on it, I did a lemon 3-tier tray. Came out really cute. I really like it. It was so refreshing. Get it? Refreshing. Lemonade is refreshing. Oh my god, it's too early and I'm starting to be stupid. And even my bird's telling me I'm being stupid. And now I'm just inserting some of these cotton blossoms that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and then I'm putting in the grass around the edges of my floral arrangement. Is this like dead grass? Does anybody know what this stuff actually is? It's like almost a hay or a straw, more like straw. And then once I have my arrangement the way I like it, I'm going to glue on my bow to the front with some hot glue. And we're all finished with this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it gave you some inspiration on making your own floral arrangement for the summertime. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Give me, smash that like button. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified of all my future uploads. And I want you guys to have a great summer and see you in my next video. Bye!